Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. I have this plain white box here, slip the tape. I do think this is from Pup Mom Crate. I can never get these boxes open. Okay. This is crate number 2 for me for July 2023. Give you a little sneak peek. Just a plain white box. I think the last box actually was like the Pup Mom Crate box. It was a little bit more decorative. This is, for Pup and Mom. Pup Mom Crate. I think it's like $40 some. I've seen mixed reviews, good and bad. No in-betweens. Either people like it or they don't. I liked the first box, so far so good. But I have to remember there's good and bad reviews when I get this box. So like I said, this is box number 2. All their information is in my description box. Right off the bat, let me show you here. We have a treat, and this is I guess, oh, she's gonna knock my lights. This is from a company called Chippin', right here. And this is kale, carrot, and spirulina. It's a woman-owned small business. No chicken, no beef. So this is Veggie Dailies right here. And this is one to 2 treats for small breed under 20 pounds, 3 to 4 for medium breed, 20 to 40, and 5 to 6 treats for a large breed, which is 40 plus pounds. Oven baked in the United States, developed with board certified vets. Ingredients are oats, flaxseed, carrots, kale, parsley, spirulina, sunflower oil, cane molasses, rosemary extract, and a preservative to help keep them. So here you can see a little bit of the back. I always, Oreo's right this way on her bed, and she hears the crinkle. I will look, really look into this brand before I share any treats. But before I get started, I forgot I wanted to share my lipstick today, which is from Lawless. This is Morocco. Right here is the shade. And I have that on. It's just a deeper, neutral berry-ish color, but I figured since I don't wear reds, I would wear a darker shade. And I have put all of my Lawless up here. I don't know where this one's going to fit because these are magnetized and they want to like pull apart. It's funny because the tops are magnetized. So I will place this one somewhere up there. I figured I had them in a drawer, but I wanted to give them the justice they deserve and display them. So I just pulled out one of my my toppers that I had, my Sorbus toppers. And like these are for liners or brushes, and I could line them up. And I do have some along the side, across the front. And then these, I did see on Amazon, they have I think a 12 slot. And it's more like mesh with rose gold on it. So I might get that and put that on top rather than these. I want to put them away, I think. But for right now, oops, there goes my depot. That I wanted to display them. So I didn't want to forget that. Another thing for dogs, Hot Spot Pets, dog chews and treats. I don't know about these. I don't like these kinds of treats. Yeah, see the 100% beef trachea. I don't like to give my dog stuff like this. So this is a big no. Right off the bat. I won't give them that kind of stuff, but this one might be okay. So the next things I see are from Pure Aura 24 karat gold foil mask, and these are obviously for Mom. You get 2 of them. Oh, drop this. 24 karat gold foil mask really does nothing for your face when they add gold like that. Made in Korea. These are nice, but these are like a couple dollars, $1 or $2. Treats are not that expensive. What else do we have in here? From Teacup Pet, I'm not sure. Gentle shampoo, lavender oatmeal, all natural ingredients, cruelty-free, No sulfates or parabens, made in the USA. Always happy to have that. Let's see, does it have a seal on it? Yeah, it does. I want to smell it. Oh, that smells, ooh, right the wrong way on my shorts. Ugh. That smells good. Currently used like, oh my goodness, like a whitener shampoo because my dogs are white. Oh, why won't you go back on? Okay. Oh, that sugar stain. So I'm not unhappy with this, but I'm going to look up prices. And then the last thing I see in here, so what do we have? 1, 2, 3. This is considered 1, 4, 5 items for $40-some, I think is not good. It says dogs welcome, people tolerated. And this is a cute little sign. There's a little rope back there. That's cute. But this is like a cheap, like particle board. It's super thin. So, you know, this is dollar store item. So in my opinion, you know, the sign is cute. I like that. I appreciate the shampoo. This bag of treats, if you give your dogs that kind of stuff, great. I do not. This is, like I said, I will have to look into, and she's right here. And then these are, you know, okay. Nothing to write home about. So for, I think it's like almost $45 for this box. I would have to say this is a miss. Not a great box. The only thing that I appreciate is the shampoo. And this is 12 ounces. But at best is that $10. And you don't know if they're buying in bulk, that it's even cheaper than that. The rest of this stuff is basically, you know, cheaper priced items. So are, you know, are they barely at a $20 value for almost a $45 box? So I'm going to say this is a big fat no for me for Pup Mom Crate, for my second crate for July. I will see what, lay this back down, what August has to offer. And after 3 boxes, I will make a decision whether it stays or it goes. So we have one that I liked and one that I don't. So it really depends what box 3 is, where that falls. If I like box 3, then I'll get box 4. Obviously, if I don't like box 3, they're gone. So let me know your thoughts on this box. Like I said, pricey for what you're getting. At least the prior one, I don't remember. I honestly don't remember what was in that box. I know there were socks. Was there a mug? Or no, I don't think there was a mug. I honestly don't remember what was in that box. I'd have to look back at my photo. But this one is a big no for me. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.